plan is make this car do a proper burnout finally. For some reason, I can't get the brakes to brake properly when I'm on the throttle. So the goal for today is try to make this car do a burnout. So I'm going to start with pulling all the ABS fuses, see if that changes anything. If not, we'll dig into it a little deeper, see why it's cutting throttle as soon as I'm on the brake. But yeah, we're gonna try to make it do a burnout, and we're gonna do a proper burnout. I've been waiting a long time to do it in this car. So let's see what happens, and let's have a lot of fun. And if you haven't seen, I finally got a quick release in here to get rid of the stock airbag. I gotta pull this airbag out yet. Gonna get rid of the headliner, possibly the rear door cards. I have the rest of the rear end gutted. Don't mind the broom back there. That's for my garage. But possibly might pull the rear door cards off. Gonna be putting bucket seats in the front eventually to replace these, because if you ever done drifting, it's not fun sliding from here to here, back and forth. So yeah, we got the little boink, and we're on. So let's go pull some fuses out and see if we can go to a burnout. I just dropped this thing on the ground. Come here. Hey, stupid thing. All right. Get it. Get it. 7, 41, and 42. Okay. 7, 41, and 42. So we got blah, 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 blah. Shit. 3 in from the bottom. No. 41 and 42, which are
these 25s.
Is it gonna do a burnout now?
Better.
Let's go find out.
La 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 la. Nothing going on here, folks. Do the horn, loser.
I am under the car.
First, to get to know your car better, you must learn to become the car.
I am under the car. Please help. Ugh. I can't even see my switch anymore. Okay, we're gonna let that unplug for now. Ugh. Hold up, let me get a cold start. Okay, one of those fuses was the wrong one. Let's go look again. Try pulling these two. Okay, let's see if it starts with
That's
these.
auto. Pull the fuses while it's running.
Alright, well I got those two pulled.
Brake lights flashing.
That always was.
Oh, because of that. And my hands look beat up on camera. I don't like it.
Safety.
That matters, folks. Your life does matter.
Especially when I'm driving.
Everything seems to be okay.
Let's go
Oh, got you texting and driving.
Yeah, I was turning on my flashlight. I'll show you some proper downshifts. What else could I change?
Disconnect your ABS module. What's wrong with reverse?
What's reverse? We have just go gears.
Just go gears, just go.
There we go. Alright.
Work.
I should get a little smoother at it.
Yeah, but it works.
It works though?
It works.
Alright, so we just completely unplugged the ABS module and now it works. I can lay burnouts for days. I can hold it still without moving and actually do a proper burnout. So we're going to go out and get a couple more good ones and hope you guys enjoy seeing the smoke show.